Hey guys, Tuesday, March 19th of 2024. Let's look at natural gas US pre-market open. As you can see, I got a trend line here and it's pivoting. It's probably pivoting from here. Let's just make sure. Yep. You can see that now I think we kissed that yesterday and failed. And now we're kissing it today and maybe even pushing lower as of right now. Looking at our simple glance, the only thing here that's positive on the daily is that we got a MACD crossover, but that could change quickly if we start pushing lower, especially below 171. We're at the Woody's pivot midpoint. And there's a lot of things here. There's like a 50% here. There's a lot of things there. And then you know that we have a lot of resistance here. So looking at our Gann grid, you can see that trend line. I pivoted from here to here, and we've been kissing it and just pulling back, and now we're below the 25%. So you got the 1x4 here. Hopefully it doesn't have to go down there again, but let's see how the US session is going to open. Let's go to our midpoint. So this is an area of congestion here that I'm watching, and it's having a tough time closing above 175. Nothing really here unless you go down all to 168. And at our weekly midpoint, $1.74, we pierced it yesterday but pulled back and tried to regain it, and so far it hasn't gone enough momo to get up there. And right now in the overnight session, they're now below, I believe, 172. So for today, and statistically, you can say it didn't work out because in the overnight it popped, but then on the US session it tanked. So I don't think this one worked out well. Today it's bearish, $2 negative. And the weekday is positive, and then tomorrow is going to be flat. So let's see what's going to happen. But so far they're below 172. And if they're going to push it lower, your target to the downside would be 168, 166, and 165. But for some reason, if the statistical says up and they push it down, and then today is down and they want to push it up, then you at least want to be above 171 or 72 now. Your good targets to the upside would be $1.76, $1.78, and $1.80. So let's see how the US starts. I'll be watching it, and let's see how it plays out. But so far, that's it. And on our Gann grid, you can see that we went as high as, what was it, $1.76, pretty much to the zero line. And then kind of pulled back, and now we're hovering around 171. As long as we could stay above 169, I'm cool with that. If we start going below 169, then it may want to kiss and test 163, somewhere around there, 65, 64, 63. But if we can stay above here and just kind of go sideways here, I'm cool with that. I'm okay. Because in one, we have to break out of this rut and either push higher or push lower, and I'm leaning more to the upside. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.